Hey everybody, welcome back to the Goodview Woodworks channel. I'm Nathan, and today I have something awesome for you. I have a new challenge proposal just for you guys. Hey, welcome back to the shop. I wanted to give you guys an update on the buffet server. It's almost done. I have to make 2 more doors and the drawer. Then it's time for sanding and finishing. So here you go. So here it is. Nice looking piece of furniture. Top looks really nice. Just really pretty. So we're getting close to finishing that thing. It is looking so pretty. Now on to the whole reason why you guys probably clicked this video. So the other day I was sitting down thinking to myself, you know would be awesome would be to send out a challenge to everybody. And what was going through my head was, while I was walking through Home Depot, was I wonder if I could make an epoxy side table or something like that, only using materials from Home Depot. The cool thing is, you can. So the challenge is, to enter the challenge, there are a few rules. First rule is, it has to be an epoxy project. So it doesn't matter if you use 5-minute epoxy or some kind of countertop epoxy or what have you, has to be an epoxy project. Rule number 1. Rule number 2 is that you have to get all of your materials, including the epoxy, from the same store. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. If you have watched any of my videos on my channel, you would know that I like Stone Coat Countertops epoxy. I've used Incredible Solutions epoxy, and those aren't things that you can just find at your local home improvement store. However, my local home improvement store still has epoxy products there. And so this is a good way to try out stuff that you have, near your home. For me too, to try out some stuff. So, rule number 2 is including the epoxy. Everything, all the materials have to come from the same store. And then rule number 3 is how to submit your entry. So to enter the challenge, all you have to do is take a picture of your project and send it to me, either on Facebook on the Goodview Woodworks page, or you can send it to me on Instagram at Goodview Woodworks is the handle. So those are the 3 things that you need to do to enter. Now, I would ask for like a receipt so that I can prove that you guys bought everything from the same store. And if you would like to, please, you can list off the materials that you bought, and maybe, just so that we know, it's supposed to be fun. This is supposed to be a challenge, supposed to be fun. So I hope that you guys stick to the rules and, we don't have to, send a receipt and prove everything is from a certain store. You know what I mean. Also, I would like to add, if you have leftovers or scrap or something laying around the shop or your house, feel free to use those too. So I'm including that too. Scraps are okay to use. Having said that, guys, I am so excited for this challenge. I think we're gonna go ahead and call it the Epoxy Department Store Challenge. Even though it's not really a department store, but you guys get what I mean. Maybe you guys can shoot a hashtag and come up with the name of the challenge for yourself. So the challenge starts today, whenever you see this video, and it ends in 2 months on April 19th. So all the entries must be sent in to me, either on Facebook at the Goodview Woodworks page on Facebook, or to Instagram at Goodview Woodworks. Send them both. You can send a picture, a video, and to either one of those places for your entry. And what we'll do is Aaron and I will choose the top 3, and then I'll make a poll. I'll put a poll up on YouTube on the communities tab, and we'll do a poll and we'll let you guys choose who you think is the winner. And you never know, maybe we'll give away a gift card of your choice to whoever wins. So guys, with that being said, I'm super excited to share this challenge with you, and I will also be doing something for the challenge. However, I can't win because I'm the one starting the challenge and I'll be the one voting, so it's not really fair if I win my own challenge. So this is going to be a really cool challenge. I want to encourage you that you don't have to be a master woodworker or somebody that works on this stuff all the time, but that you guys would just be creative and come up with something really cool to make and share with others. So guys, with that being said, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, and if you haven't seen the merch that we have up, I don't have a lot, got a hoodie and a t-shirt. I'm gonna link it down in the description. Check out the merch, because any of that stuff that you guys like and decide to get goes to help out this channel and helps me get projects up and posted for you guys. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure that you click the bell icon to the right of the subscribe button to let you know anytime I post a new video. And with that being said, guys, thanks for hanging out with us.